this is what I call Quarry. It's at Mountsorrel in Leicestershire, and it's on a grand scale. I'm standing in the largest granite producing quarry in Europe, and I'm here to find out just why we dig holes as big as this. Well, it's quite simple. We need roads, railways, hospitals, schools and housing, and the material to create this infrastructure comes from quarries.
In the Midlands area there is a lot of hard rock deposits which are the closest deposits to London. So a lot of the material that's taken from these quarries is transported via train and via road down into the south and the southeast.
Very little known by the public, the process of what happens here. Talk us through it.
Before we can dig the material we have to blast the material. So to do that we drill holes into the ground about 16 metres down. We put the charges in the holes and blow the rock up. We blast every day here at 12:30 every single day. We then send the excavators in and we dig the material and load into 100-ton dump trucks. We crush the material down into all sorts of different sizes, everything from railway ballast right the way through to dust. The material is then sent out by conveyor belt to the railhead, where it's loaded into trains and sent all around the country. We can also send material directly into the back of road lorries, or we can send material to our asphalt plant or ready-mix plant. So where we're stood now, it may look like a moon crater, but this is the overburden that we've taken off the top of the granite, out of the quarry, and we've created these screening bunds, and these won't look like this forever. If you look behind us, the area with all the trees on, that was exactly like this 10 years ago, and the soils have naturally regenerated with all the seeds and greened up, made a lovely habitat for flora and fauna. There will always be a need for schools, hospitals, roads, railways, infrastructure, so there will always be a need for quarries. I think over the next few years, I think recycling will continue to grow and continue to become more important, but there will always be a need for quarrying in this area.
So next time you have a few minutes to spare, possibly stuck in a traffic jam, have a look around you at the roads and the buildings and the structures, and you can see just why we dig holes in the ground.